So hey everyone, the new Motorola Razr has been rumored for quite some time, but now we not only have the further confirmation on some of the major technical specs, but we also had the opportunity to see it live in a handful of images. Thanks to the 91 mobiles, we have seen the hands-on images of the Motorola Razr 3, which will be released as the company's next foldable flip phone. We are calling it the Razr 3 because the actual name hasn't been revealed yet. While Samsung is the leading maker of foldable smartphone, the category is far from exclusive. The other OEMs joining the fray with each passing year, Oppo, Vivo, Huawei and Honor all have at least one model on the market. Motorola is set to compete with these firms with its legendary Razr foldable phone. On the other side, when I saw the images, I thought they showed a handset with a new design that was much closer to Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip. And now rumors are circulating that the Motorola Razr 3 will feature a more streamlined design, eliminating the thick bottom bezels and notch in favor of the more squarish of appearance. According to reports, it will resemble the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 rather than the 2020 Motorola Razr 5G. Therefore, it appears that this is not the case. Ross Young, a display insider, has confirmed the reports, adding both the inner and exterior screen would be larger. The Motorola Razr 2022 will have a 6.7 inches internal panel and a 3 inches exterior screen, according to Ross. The Razr 5G has a 6.2 inches primary screen and a 2.7 inches cover display. In instance, the most popular foldable handset last year, the Galaxy Z Flip 3, had a 6.7 inches main display but a tiny 1.9 inches secondary one. The Flip 4, its successor, is expected to have somewhat larger exterior screen. Motorola is reportedly not just redesigning the Razr 3 but also equipping it with improved internals. The Razr 5G has a mid-tier specifications, whereas the Razr 3 might have top-tier features. To prove this, it features Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU. However, it appears that two versions of the gadget are in works, one with the current 8 Gen 1 and one with the future Plus edition. RAM is 8GB and 12GB and storage is 256GB and 512GB depending on the variant. Although the Motorola Razr 3 may be popular among flip phone users, Samsung should raise the standards on the Flip 4 to keep up. This is all we know about the smartphone at the time. The Motorola Razr 3 will be released this summer, most likely in China in July or August. So what are your thoughts on the Motorola Razr 3? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.